Hi kids, how are you all? Hope you are all healthy and safe. Today is 3rd June. 3rd June we are celebrating World Bicycle Day. So today we are going to make a bicycle. Let us start. So for making the bicycle we need some ice cream sticks and 3 circles. These circles are made of cardboard and 2 paper cups, Fevicol. So for making these 3 circles, I took one cardboard sheet and cut it into circle and paste one color paper on top of it. Okay. So like that I have made 3 circles. 2 circles should be of same shape and one should be little bigger one. Okay. So let us start making the cycle. So for that first we are going to take ice cream sticks. Let us take 2 ice cream sticks and only the top part we are going to put Fevicol. So top part we have put the Fevicol and stick. Let it dry for some time. We are going to press it for some time. Let it dry. Okay, we are keeping it here. Now, after that, we are taking two more sticks and again only the top part we are putting the gum and sticking it. Yes, now let it dry for some time. Now we are taking again this two and we are again going to stick one more ice cream stick on the top of it like this. So let me do that. See like this. Now let it dry for some time. We are going to keep it for drying. Now we are going to take the first circle, the big circle, and we will stick the ice cream sticks on the top of it. This is ready, and before that we are going to put some Fevicol on this circle. Both sides we have to put some Fevicol. Like this we are going to stick it. See, like this we are going to stick it. Press it, let it stick. Now this is, let it dry for some time. We are keeping it here. Now we are going to take the one paper cup. See, I have put a small hole on the middle of this paper cup and the two sides we are going to stick this circles. So let me do that. First we will put some Fevicol here. And first circle. Press it nicely and the other side. The other side also we are going to paste the circle. Put the Fevicol. Press it nicely. See, both sides are ready now. Let it be here now. Let it be here. Now we will take this one. This is ready now. Okay, another stick and we are going to put it here. See, this side. This side we are going to put it like this. So we have to put them gum here, both sides both sides we have to put some gum, and we are going to stick it. You have to press it nicely, let it stick. Yes, little bit slide like this it should be. Press it nicely. Yes, this is okay now. Now we are going to take this cup. We have already put 2 circles here, and see, we are going to insert this in the inside this hole. See, one more thing is there. We have to stick one more cup is here. We are going to stick it here. We'll put Fevicol here. We are going to stick it here. This is sticked. Now the cycle is ready. See, you can put your eraser, pencil, crayons, everything in this and store it. Is it beautiful? Have a nice day. Thank you.